everyone. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can quickly access the close-end performance of all the funds traded in US markets. For that, go to clickanalytics.com, and in the main page, you have a drop-down menus. So click on funds, and then over here, you have a drop-down link called close-end funds. Click on that. Now, the close-end funds look at all the closed-end funds that is traded in US market and give you a very high-level overview of the markets. Now, as you can see, you have a data table over here, which provides you various columns. So you have symbol, name of the fund over here, closed-end funds, its close price, the day change over here, percentage change, the volume traded, and of course the trend and trend days as well. How many times it's been up or down in terms of price rally and more. If you scroll on the right hand side, the same data grid gives you a lot more information. For example, I can see its 52-week high-low prices. I can see the current prices versus its 52-week high and low in terms of percentage. So you can see that how far it is in terms of its 52-week high prices or so. So for example, for this particular instrument, Cloud Global Opportunities Funds, where the price is about 4.97, it shows that it is just little bit 36.23% less than its 52-week high-low prices, whereby from the 52-week low is being up 6.61%. Okay, so all this quick information is pre-calculated for you, and this calculated on the fly as well. So when we get a new data on the spot, this calculation gets updated right away as well. Now I can see the change 1 year over here, and then there's various other information available as well. Now you have a full capabilities over here to change the view or the analysis in terms of what columns do you want to see over here. So by default, this data grids will give you the main, but if you click on the drop down, you have a various different way to analyze the same information as well. Maybe, for example, you want to look at all the performances of these instruments in one glance. So if I select the performance drop down, I can see all the information pertaining to this performance. So you have a day change, change percentage, volume, 52-week high, low. You have a gap up and down information. You have a 1 week change, 1 month change, 3 months, 6 months, 9, year to date, 1 year, 2 years, 3 years, as well as 5 years, 10 years, or even 20 and all time change as well. So I can see, although this particular instrument is being up, as in in terms of percentage change is about 2.58, I can also see its performance historically as well. Historically, 6, 9, year to date, 1 year or so is beat down, is negative. But then lately, in the last 3 months, its performance is going really well. Okay, and this is all data statistics that we gather for you as well. Okay, so if you want to know the quick information pertaining to closed-end funds, you can look at this over here. And of course, you have a lot more ways to analyze this information and more on Click and